Hello guys, we're here in Sijin Tunnel.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda dito guys. It's a romantic place. Kaso guys, hindi kami magkaintindihan ng mga sinasabi nila guys. Chongchang daw eh. Yan, naririnig yan guys. Eh, tingin. Yan pala guys ang kasama ko guys. Yung aking ex-girlfriend guys. Kaso naging girlfriend pa kita? Paano kita naging ex? Naging asawa lang yata kita eh. Ayun na guys, natawid na kami ulit kay Pag-Imaras guys. Kasi hindi masyado makita. May kaya ano. Yan. Dito na kami guys. We are here in another world. Alright. Here.
Another...
Ayan. Sa mga kabundukan ng Mount Arayat. Yan, where Noah's Ark was in here. Alright guys. There's Dr. James Eltoy. Yan, dito tayo. Tingin-tingin ka doon, no? Alright. We're here in a coastal place of Sijin.